You are facing a mental health crisis. As WCPO 9 News reporter Kendria LaFleur explains, starting tomorrow, a 3-digit number can connect you with trained professionals.
It's a new, easier way to remember the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline, 988. The 3-digit number advocates hope will be the 911 for mental health.
The beauty of the 988 number is that it's a counselor on the other end of the call that can take you and walk you through what's going on. They're really good listeners. They're trained in this area.
Mental health has been on the forefront for Nancy Eigel Miller. Her husband, Jim, died by suicide in 2008.
The anniversary is coming up on July the 28th, and it was really out of the blue. He had a very big personality, and we really didn't know what the signs and symptoms were. There were signs and symptoms. We were just unaware.
Since then, she started 1 in 5. That stands for 1 in 5 people will deal with a mental health illness.
So it's really my mission now that other people aren't in that same situation that we were in, that you don't know what you're looking at.
And with the new 988 number, Miller says it will help with that mission. You can call or text for help.
The number that you call is the therapeutic intervention, unlike 911, which is more of a dispatch center for medical problems.
Something Miller says is beneficial in dire situations.
If they're talking to someone, they're much more likely to call the mobile crisis unit, which is a mental health trained group of people who will go to the situation rather than a police or the life squad.
Miller says that response can deepen a mental health crisis.
Because we've seen it in schools where kids get restrained by the police or by the paramedics, and that's extremely traumatizing to that child who's already in distress.
Ohio's Department of Mental Health and Addiction Services estimates 179,000 calls and texts could be made in the first year. They believe more people will remember to call the number.
If there's the resources out there, people will start taking more action.
Kendria LaFleur, WCPO 9 News.
So because this is so important for so many people, we want to make sure that, you have the number. I know it's only 3 digits here, but the hotline that starts tomorrow is 988. The trained counselors are at one of many crisis call centers set up across the country. Your call should go to the closest center to you, but if that center is too busy, the call will automatically be sent to another available center. Again, that number is 988.